long before humans ruled the skies. There was a king with wings wide enough to block out the sun. The Haast's eagle. The largest eagle to ever live, weighing more than a wolf. With talons as long as a man's hand. It didn't hunt mice or rabbits. It hunted giants. The moa, a flightless bird taller than a man, was its prey. But when humans arrived in New Zealand, they wiped out the moa for food, and the eagle's world began to die. Desperate and starving. Legends say it turned to the only prey left, which is us. Ancient Maori stories spoke of giant birds that swooped from the clouds and never missed. Within 200 years, the Haast's eagle vanished. A ruler destroyed not by battle, but by hunger. The skies have never been the same.